Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your Sarasota real estate agent. I'm at MI Homes Townhome community here in Palmetto, Florida. This is the Palms at Trevesta. Let's go take a look. So MI Homes is one of the last builders here in Trevesta. This townhome community that they're making, they just started it. They're going to have two different models. The buildings themselves are 6 plexes. So there's 4 interior units, which are 1,500 or so square feet. And then there's the bigger units on the ends, which are just about 1,900 square feet. So the only difference is the size, and then a 2-car garage versus a 1-car garage on the interior. Price points between $300,000 and $400,000. They're all 3-bed, 2.5 baths. And if you have any questions about it, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help. Likewise, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That'll keep you guys up to date as they move along here. They are just starting out. They have some quick move-ins. They've just discounted stuff here in April. Let's go take a look at one of the models. So that was the Palms at Trevesta, MI Homes Townhome community here in Palmetto, Florida. Price range anywhere between $300,000 and $400,000 for these 3-bedroom townhomes. Really lovely finishes, nice build here by MI Homes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help. And until we see you on the next video, I look forward to the comments below and see what you guys are thinking about these townhomes. All right, thanks.